Do you ever feel like you're drowning in the sea of email newsletters, bookmarks, and things you really want to read, but they're scattered all over the place?
Can't do this.
My name is Erin, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to bring everything you want to read into one place using our app called Reader. Reader is an all-in-one Read It Later app built for power readers that works on desktop, iOS, Android, and select ink devices. There's so many ways you can use Reader to deepen your reading practice, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to stick to the basics. How to add documents, how to navigate the app, and how to highlight and search for your documents. To get started, head to read.readwise.io and click on the plus icon to download our web extension and the mobile app. To add new documents from the web, you'll use this extension, which I highly recommend pinning to your toolbar for easy access. Simply click on the yellow icon and it will be saved into your Reader account. This extension even works on paywalled articles, assuming you're logged in. From here, you can jump into the app and start reading the parsed version. Or if you don't want to break your flow, you can even use this extension to highlight the original web page. As I mentioned before, Reader is an all-in-one reading app that supports most digital content. In addition to saving articles, you can also use this extension to save YouTube videos, tweets, and PDFs into Reader. If you want to upload PDF and EPUB files from your computer, you can click on this plus icon or simply drag and drop the files on top of the Reader interface to upload. If you want to add your email newsletters to Reader, you can subscribe directly using your custom Reader email address located under the import page. Alternatively, you can set up an auto forward from your current email client, which I'll explain more in our feed tutorial. If you're migrating from another Read It Later app, such as Pocket or Instapaper, you can head to our integrations page to import your existing library. To save documents from your phone, you'll first need to install the mobile app, and then you can save items to Reader via the share sheet. In building an all-in-one reading app, we realized there's two types of content. There's content you manually save for yourself, like web articles, PDFs, EPUBs, videos, and tweets. And then there's content that's automatically pushed to you, like RSS feeds and email newsletters. We wanted to make sure that your high-priority library wasn't drowned out by the noise of RSS feeds and email newsletters. So we created two separate sections in Reader, your library and your feed. Your library is where things that you manually save for yourself go for safekeeping. From there, you can triage them by priority. The feed is where things that are automatically pushed to you, like email newsletters and RSS feeds, wait to be reviewed. In the next video, I'll teach you how to set up a powerful feed workflow that helps you keep up with your favorite creators and industry news. For now, if you want to quickly import your RSS feeds from another feed reading app, such as Feedly or Feedbin, you can do so by exporting an OPML file, then uploading that to Reader. You'll also notice this home section, which gives you a quick look at everything in your library and your feed and can help you decide what to read next. You can even customize and rearrange these views on your home screen by clicking Configure. If you want to learn more about organizing your documents in Reader and creating your own custom views, you should check out this tutorial. We designed Reader with power users in mind, so you can navigate this entire interface using keyboard shortcuts. You can learn these shortcuts by hovering over actions and seeing the tooltips, using Command K to open the command palette, or hitting the question mark key to pull up the full hotkey guide.
But Erin, was ist mit deutschen Keyboards?
Thanks for reminding me, Hannes. If you're on an international keyboard, you can customize these key bindings in your Reader preferences. Here are the 5 most important keyboard shortcuts to get you started. To send an article to later for future reading, hit L. To archive an article, hit E. To delete an article, hit D. And to undo any action, hit Z. You can also tag your documents using T. If you click on that tag, you'll find all of your documents in your Reader account containing that tag. If you need to quickly find a document, you can use the / key to pull up Reader's full text search. As I mentioned earlier, Reader also offers powerful filtering to make subsets of documents for quicker access. If you're interested in that, you should check out my filtered views tutorial. Last but not least, let's talk about the reading experience itself. You can use your up and down arrows to scroll. You can hit H to highlight the entire paragraph or drag your cursor over a specific sentence, and you can even highlight images and preview your highlights and annotations in this Notes tab. One of the coolest things about Reader is that it integrates seamlessly with the first app we ever built called Readwise. Any highlights you take in Reader will be automatically sent to Readwise, where you can review them on a daily basis, review all of your highlights under a certain tag, or export your highlights to your favorite note-taking app.
Not finished yet. There's more. Let me show you this.
In addition to highlighting, Reader has some other powerful features to level up your reading. The first is text-to-speech. If your eyes ever get tired, you can hit P or press listen to have your documents read aloud to you.
That's right. You can finally highlight images.
We have a variety of voices, including non-English options. You'll also find text-to-speech in the mobile app. Reader also comes with an embedded AI assistant called Ghostreader, which can help you answer your reading-related questions without breaking your flow. For example, you can take a highlight, then hit G for Ghostreader to define a word, translate the passage, or ask a question. Ghostreader will also provide auto summaries of all of your documents, which you'll see in this right-hand sidebar. By default, you'll also receive a daily summaries email summarizing any new documents you saved to your Reader account in the past 24 hours. These summaries are not intended as a replacement to your reading practice, but rather as a tool to help you figure out what you want to read next, or maybe what you've lost interest in and can clear entirely from your account. You can even customize your auto summary format and other Ghostreader prompts on the Ghostreader preferences page.
I couldn't help but wonder.
If you're wondering if you can opt out of these AI features, the answer is absolutely yes. Simply toggle off auto summarization and any other actions you may not want to use. You can also unsubscribe from your daily summaries email under email preferences. The last thing you should know is that our team is super responsive. We have a full team of engineers who are constantly improving Reader and a team of 7 support staff, including myself, who are here to help you with any questions. If you hit a snag, have a question, or want to make a feature suggestion, you can let us know using our in-app feedback tool. Simply hit Command K and type in feedback. On mobile, click the 3 circles in the bottom right, then select Support and Feedback. This will send an email to our support staff and co-founders. We review every single piece of feedback that comes through, and we do our best to respond personally and promptly to your input. So those are the basics. Earlier I mentioned you can use Reader to automatically import email newsletters, Twitter lists, and news articles from your favorite creators and your favorite websites. If that's of interest, you should check out this next tutorial where I teach you how to build your Reader feed.